What's going on, everyone? Today I want to talk about a training term that I use for myself and my clients. It's called RPE. This stands for Rate of Perceived Exertion. If you've ever wondered, am I pushing myself hard enough while working out? Then this is for you. RPE is a scale from 1 to 10 that measures how hard an exercise feels. 1 is like a warm-up, that's light work. 10 is max effort and it's difficult for you to perform. Let me break it down how it works. Say you're doing an exercise and it feels like you could have done 4 to 5 more reps. That's about a 6 on the RPE scale. But if you can barely get the last rep or need a second to breathe depending on your workout, then that's more like a 9 or a 10 on the RPE scale. For me and my clients, it's all about consistency. With our routines, I like to stay in between the range of 7 and 8 as this helps build confidence for each lift with proper form, helps improve progress, and help prevent injuries later down the line. On good days and certain workouts, we will push for a 9 or a 10, but it all depends on how that person feels for that day. Why is RPE important? Because it helps you understand your body, improves your progress, and also keeps you aware of your energy levels. Which in return will help you stay consistent with your lifts and also help you avoid injuries and burnouts. I challenge you to start paying attention to your RPE after each workout and ask yourself honestly, are you giving yourself the best workout that you can? Trust me, it'll change the way that you train going forward. For more workouts, tips, and information, make sure you like this video and comment on what you may need help with when it comes to the gym, the fitness, or nutrition. Last but not least, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Peace.